Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to design social media graphics with Snappa. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Snappa and log in to your account. From the dashboard, click on Create a Graphic or choose a social media category such as Facebook post, Instagram stories, Twitter post, etc. Snappa provides preset size for each platform to ensure your design is optimized. You can browse a Snappa collection of templates within the chosen category or start with a blank canvas. Template can save time and provide a professional starting point, while a blank canvas lets you create from scratch. Click on any text to edit it and add a message, change fonts, adjust the size, and choose color to match your branding. You can choose the font from here, and you can also change the opacity of the text. You can change the color of the text from here. Snappa offers variety icons and shape you can add for visual interest. Go to the Shapes tab and you can see variety of these. Snappa also contains graphics. For icons, you can choose an icons, and for vector and photos, you can also upload your own photo from your device. Once you are done, you can save and download the image as PNG or JPEG file. By following these steps, you can create professional, engaging social media graphic tailored to each platform using Snappa. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.